Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia. Dolls, I recorded this video late at night before I went out, and then again when I returned. I wanted to give you guys different views of how this hair looked straight and curled, so it will be switching in between both looks throughout the video. So dolls, I already know why you clicked to see this video. Y'all want to see what a wig that cost $1,700 look like. I do too. So anyway, if you want to get more deets on this hair and my true feelings about it, keep watching. What's up fam? Your girl went blonde. Again. So I was really nervous about doing this ash blonde because it's so light and I am dark skinned, but I was really interested in seeing how this would look on my complexion, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling this. I am feeling this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all. So dolls, welcome back. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on this wig. However, if you do want to see how I achieve this color, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. This hair was sent to me from wigs.com. I'll insert a clip of all the things that were included within the box when I received it. So this was 613 hair, and I've really been wanting to try some ash blonde hair, so I decided to just turn this ash blonde. This is what the wig looked like when I initially got it, and this is my final result. Let's just cut to the chase and let's get on to this wig and the cost. I know that's why you clicked on this video. So when they initially reached out to me, they asked me to, they said, you know, we have this 613 hair, we'd like to send it to you and for you to color it and give us your honest review. Now, you're gonna get my honest review regardless, because my commitment is to my subscribers, it's not to any vendor or hair company. So just a PSA to all hair companies, don't send me no trash hair if you don't want me to go in on y'all, because I will let my subscribers know the real deal. So I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of vendors don't really like sending out 613 hair, because 613 hair is usually of lesser quality than natural hair, natural colored hair, because for obvious reasons it's been bleached, which means that you're usually going to have more issues as far as tangling, shedding, and the likes of such. So I was like, cool, all right, send me the wig. They sent the wig, and I colored it. And right when I was getting ready to film this intro, I requested a link to the wig. And it was only at that point that I realized how much this wig cost. It's something about knowing the price of something that changed my whole thoughts of how I felt about this wig. Now, initially, my initial review was that, this is quality hair. When I did receive it, I did notice that this hair appeared very healthy, which is unusual because, like I said, 613 hair, because it's bleached, is usually more thin, on the thinner side, and just like frizzy and so forth. However, this wig did feel full from root to tip. So that was one thing that I was pleasantly surprised about. But then I saw the hairline. We're gonna have a moment of silence for this hairline. Okay, now this hairline comes with a widow's peak. So if you have a widow's peak, you might be happy about that. I don't. So not only that, the widow's peak is fine because I could always just pluck it out. But the thing that really concerned me about this wig was the fact that it didn't come pre-plucked. And it is 2018, and that should be expected from most wigs, especially wigs at such a high price point. The second thing that concerned me about this wig was the fact that it is a full lace wig, and I'm really on the fence about full lace wigs. I like the fact that you could part it all the way down, but most full lace wigs have these little like straps that are usually like somewhere over here across the front, and depending on how you part it, you're going to see that little strap in the lace. Now, because I don't usually wear a middle part, that concerns me because it affects how much over I could go over to the side with my part. The thing about this wig is that that strap comes across horizontally, so regardless of where I part it, you're going to see that strap. Now, I intentionally didn't put any makeup on this wig so that you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can get a better look. Do you guys see this? That's the strap that I'm talking about. The last thing about this wig I did not like was the lace itself. Now, this cap construction is pretty different than any other wig that I've had in the past. It does seem to be really durable as far as probably holding the hair on the wig. However, I don't know if it's because this was a 613 wig or if all of the caps look like this, but this particular cap had little white dots on it. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. And even if I decided to bleach it, those dots will not go away. And I feel like that's a problem because that's going to prevent me from having like a truly flawless install. You guys know I like to give y'all some flawless, undetectable, unclockable wigs, and I can't do that because of the white knots that are on this lace. So those are the three things that really troubled me with the wig. Aside from the obvious, the price. Now, when they initially reached out to me, I did not know that this wig cost that much. I really can't honestly try to sell you guys on this wig because I wouldn't pay that much for a wig. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a situation where I would, and I'm drawing a blank. Now, and the only reason why I wouldn't pay that much for a wig is because I have been able to find quality wigs at a much cheaper price point. Now, I'm not going to tell the company that they're pricing their wigs too high because who am I? Just because I think something is priced too high doesn't mean that there aren't other customers who will purchase it. I did notice that when I went on their website, most of the models featured on the website were Caucasian. So that could be their demo. Maybe that they are okay with spending that much money on their wigs. And I'm sure there are some black people who would spend that much money on their wigs as well. But the only thing that I will say is that I think to command as a wig at such a high price point, there's certain things that should be automatic when purchasing a wig. One being the hairline should already come pre-plucked. Second, I feel like I really like this density. I feel like it's a natural density. I'm a person who actually likes big hair though, so I would like the option to be able to select different densities. So offering the option to change the density would be helpful. And last but not least, I feel like they really should try to get a different type of cap for this wig because it's not going to look natural regardless of where you part, because you're going to have that issue as far as where the line for the full lace comes across. However, other than that, I will say that I do think this is a quality wig. I will not take that from them. Aside from me wishing that it was a bit thicker and the cap construction, I do really like this wig, and you will see me wearing this wig. You know, I got this designer wig on my head. Yeah, their domain is wigs.com. So, and they have been around for about 20 years, and they do give back to the community. And they do a lot of things for people with cancer and the sorts. So I'm definitely not trying to bash the company because that's not what this channel is about. I just wouldn't buy it. But if you will, you're in luck because I do have a 25% coupon code, so you can get it for only like $1,200 or something, you know. That's a deal, I guess. Maybe, kinda, I don't know. Anyway, the information for that's going to be in the description box down below this video. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this wig. What do you think about it? Do you like this color on me? I am loving this. Like, I like it. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. And if you want to see how I got this color, it was really simple. I'll have all the information for the dyes that I used to get this color, as well as the process for how I came about getting this color, in the description box down below. Stay tuned for the rest of that right now.
The first color I applied to this hair was L'Oreal Light Ash Blonde color, and you want to make sure that you saturate the entire hair with this color. You don't want to leave any yellow strands because you want to make sure the entire hair turns ash brown and that it is uniform in color. Then I went on top of this color with Revlon's Dark Ash Blonde, and I did the same type of application and made sure I applied it throughout the entire wig. Then I applied Revlon's Dark Ash Brown color to the roots. I prefer brown roots as opposed to blonde roots. So I just applied about an inch worth of color from the roots onto the hair. Then I used a spoolie to apply the root color to the edges of the wig. Lastly, I applied Revlon's Medium Ash Blonde to the wig, and this color is going to give the wig highlights. Initially I started applying it with a comb, however it started to leave blotchy spots, so then I went over it and applied it with the brush. And you want to make sure that you bring this color up from the roots so that it has like a flawless transition throughout the hair. And this is the final look. Perfect ash blonde hair.
I'm really interested in knowing, guys, do you feel like this is something that you would purchase? Leave your comments down below, and if not, tell me why. I would really like to know why you wouldn't purchase this wig. What can they do to get your business? If you say you won't purchase this wig, what can they do to get your business? And I know there's gonna be some of y'all who just is like, unless the wig go to work for me, I'm not gonna purchase that wig. Unless that wig's cooking me breakfast, I'm not gonna purchase that wig. I get it, I get it. But if you are one of the people who wouldn't mind spending that amount of money on a wig, but you're a little apprehensive about purchasing this, let me know what it is about it that could be improved for them to get your business. Because all in all, I would like this video to be helpful for the company so they know what they can improve so that they can be a better vendor. So dolls, as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my channel and rocking with me. As always, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I will see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.